Okay, Year 8, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a similar thing to last lesson. We're going to be looking at using a rule to sketch a graph. So the way we're going to do this is we're given a rule, we're going to then find some points in a table and then put that on a graph and use that graph to interpolate some different answers. Okay, so we're going to find graphical solutions. So we are hiring a car. We have a $10 booking fee and plus $4 per kilometer we travel. So at 0 kilometers, even though we haven't gone anywhere, we're still got to pay that $10 booking fee. Okay, and the rule is it's going to be 4 times the distance, okay, because it's $4 per kilometer, 4 times the distance plus 10, which is the booking fee. So 4 times 10 plus 10 is 50. 4 times 20 plus 10 is 90. 4 times 30 plus 10 is going to be 130, and then 4 times 40 plus 10 is 170 as such. So that's how we can complete a table of values. We're just going to use that rule and to fill in the spaces there. Okay, now we're going to sketch this on a graph. So I've got my little piece of grid paper here, and you should have your workbook there as well. Okay, when we are using a graph to interpolate, we do need to make sure that our scale is accurate. Now, in saying that, if we're dealing with different units, we've got kilometers and dollars, those numbers don't need to go up at the same rate, okay? Because 40 kilometers doesn't equal $40. They're very different quantities measuring different things. So we can have our grid values going up by a different amount on the horizontal and the vertical axis because we're dealing with different units here. I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to put our kilometers in at the bottom. So distance in kilometers is going to be our horizontal axis, and cost in dollars is going to be our vertical axis. And we're going to go up, each of these lines on my grid paper is going to be 5 kilometers. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, and we can stop there. We're only going up to 40 in our example here. Okay, and our cost is in dollars, and we're going to go up by tens. So you can see here there's a slightly different rate, but it's okay because we're dealing with different units. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, okay? So we're going up by tens in the vertical, and we're going across by 5s on the horizontal because we're dealing with kilometers on the bottom and dollars in the going up. So we're going to sketch these points into our graph. So the first one at 0 kilometers, we're at 10. So we're not going through 0, 0 today. We're just going through 0, 10 instead. Next one at 10 kilometers, it's going to be 50. Oop. So we go up from 10 and we find 50. We plot our point. 20, we're going to go up to 90. So there's our point there. At 30, we're going up to 130. Okay, and then at 40, we're going up to 170. So we can go right up the top as such. And then we can draw our nice straight line with our ruler through these points. Make sure it's nice and straight and goes straight through there. I could probably fix that up a bit. But if you're using a ruler, you won't go wrong there. Okay, now we can use this line to find our solution for C and D. So we're going to find the cost of a journey of 25 kilometers. We start at 25, we go up and meet the graph. Okay, and then we go across. And you can see we get our answer of $110. Okay. So we've used our graph to be able to find out these missing values. How far can you travel for $70? We just go across from 70, meet the line, and then go down to find out our kilometers. And the answer is 15 kilometers there. So graphing is another way that we can sort of find these missing gaps. It's actually a way that lots of things like banks and stuff make predictions. They see a trend, they draw a line, and they can predict what future values on that line are going to be from that. So it's a very useful tool. Obviously, this is very basic at the beginning, but hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Good luck with those questions there, and I'll see you in the next video.